say let u be x. Okay? So the u is equal to 1. So we have known the u. We have known u. But the problem now is we don't know v. Okay? So we will now say that v is integral v. Okay? This is integral dv. Integral dv is equal to integral ex ds, correct? So that if you integrate dv, you get back v. If you integrate dv, you get back v. If you integrate ex, you get es. So we are not adding plus c yet because we are not done. So I've known my v, I've known my u. I've known my du is 1. So therefore, y is equal to u is x, v is ex. Just copy and paste into the formula, integration by parts. So x ex, okay, then minus integral v is now ex, du is 1 dx, okay, so that anywhere you see du, you add it as 1 ds, which is ds. So if you can see this, you notice that we'll be able to integrate ex now. So when we integrate ex, we'll get, this is already part of the answer. If you integrate es, you have es plus c. So this is the solution, the final solution of integration of x e raised to the power x. Integration by parts. Integration by parts. Okay. So if you are given a question on integration by substitution, y is equal to integral x ex squared dx. They are different. Okay, in the first question, you will notice that we have x ex, that is integration by parts. But here you have x ex squared. This is integration by substitution. Why? Because this is s squared and this is x. How do we identify that this is integration by substitution or integration by parts? For integration by substitution, the power of this x squared must be greater than the power of this x by 1. Okay, in the first place, x, they have equal power, but x squared and x, the x squared here is greater than x by 1. So you must take note of this. Whatever that is here in the power will be greater than this by 1. If not, we use integration by parts. So let's solve this. Here you say let u be x squared, okay? Integration by part. Let u be s squared. So you differentiate it, du dx is equal to 2x. If you watch, for integration by substitution, we let u be s squared. But for integration by parts, there is a hierarchy for choosing u. I'm going to teach you that in my next video. But for now, this x will be our u for integration by parts. Now, integration by substitution, s squared is our u. Take note of it. So the u dx is 2x. Making the x the solid formula, we have the x 2s when you cross and multiply. 2x times ds is dx 2s, which is equal to du. So any place we divide both sides by 2x, just to make dx the solid of the formula. So dx is equal to du all over 2x du all over 2x. So when you get to this level, all you need to do is you go back to the function. Y is equal to x is there, ex raised to the power 2 is there. What is the x is what? Du all over 2x. Okay? Du all over 2x. And this x squared, this will cancel this. And this x squared is u. So anywhere you see it, you put EU. Okay? EU. So it will help us to know that here is the u. Okay, that is all. So if you integrate EU du, if you integrate EU du, you will still get back your EU du. So you have y is equal to EU. If you integrate this, you have EU plus c. So this u is what? X squared. So you have x squared, okay, plus c. So that is the final solution to the question. That is the final solution to the question.